5 seconds to go. Start. There it was held that Section 11A of the LA Act and Section 24(2) of 2013 Act are not applicable for acquisition made under KIADB Act. Stop. It was held thus, para, having regard to the aforesaid for non-application of the old LA Act, on the parity of reasoning, provision of Section 24(2) of the new LA Act, making Section 11A of the old LA Act would, obviously, be not applicable. Stop. We would like to refer to the judgment in State of MP versus M.V. Narasimhan in this behalf, where following proposition is laid down, para, where a subsequent act incorporates provisions of a previous act, then the borrowed provisions become an integral and independent part of the subsequent act and are totally unaffected by any repeal or amendment in the previous act. Stop. This principle, however, will not apply in the following cases, para, where the subsequent act and the previous act are supplemental to each other, para, where the two acts are in pari materia, para, where the amendment in the previous act, if not imported into the subsequent act also, would render the subsequent act wholly unworkable and ineffectual, and para, where the amendment of the previous act, either expressly or by necessary intendment, applies the said provisions to the subsequent act. Stop. Para. On 3rd December 2020, this court in this very case has held as under, para. Needless to state that the acquisition of the land under the BDA Act is regulated by the provisions of the LA Act so far as they are applicable. Stop. The borrowed provisions of LA Act, became an integral part of the BDA Act and are totally unaffected by the repeal of the LA Act. Stop. In other words, the provisions of the LA Act are incorporated into the BDA Act so far as they are applicable. Stop. Of course, the bar contained in Section 6 and 11A of the LA Act, are not applicable to the BDA Act. Stop. We have discussed this aspect of the matter in our main judgment dated 3rd August 2018. Stop. It is also clear that the provisions of the right of compensation and transparency in a land acquisition, Rehabilitation and Resettlement Act, 2013 are not applicable for the acquisition made under the BDA Act. Stop. Final notification has also been issued after the pronouncement of judgment by this court in civil appeal. Stop. We direct the BDA to proceed with the acquisition of the land as proposed in the notification. Stop. Para. Therefore, the provisions of the LA Act continue to apply for acquisitions made in the BDA Act so far as they are applicable, as it is a legislation by incorporation having regard to Section 36 of the BDA Act. Stop.